Good morning, YouTube. You're probably like, where the heck am I? Well, I am actually at my friend Josh's shop, and the reason we're here is we've got Tim's 348 and it needs a major. That means we need to pull the motor out of this 348 because we're gonna replace the timing belts and a bunch of other stuff. And what's crazy awesome is Can America is sponsoring this video, so they actually are providing us with the parts for this 348 major, which is amazing because that is a lot of parts. So this is going to be a multiple video series, so hopefully you guys want to stay tuned and watch all this stuff. So I'm going to try and document it as best as I can. This is going to be a big one, so you guys are going to want to watch this. So let's get going and tear apart this 348.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
That's Josh. We got like everyone, yeah. So we're gonna get the car there. We're gonna get a cold start on a open header Camaro, hopefully. Oh, that was a disappointment.
Plan B.
Plan B, right? Ooh, oh, damn it. Yeah, mules, yeah. No. In fact, you actually paid because you brought the beer. God, it's so small compared to that Camaro. They tell you this door stopped working on the way home. It's like, son of a bitch.
I told him, like, don't lock it unless you have to.
Yeah.
Don't touch the lights. Don't touch the power windows. Don't lock the doors unless you really have to.
Just leave it as is.
It will fail. And then we'll want to pull the target top out because the ECU is back here. So
yeah, plus we probably want to hold it on, keep for the rigidity of the chassis.
That is going to become that. So that is actually a 348 engine that is torn apart. So in order to get this on the lift, we need to jack it up, is my assumption.
yeah,
So you just jack it around the pumpkin?
no.
No? Where
Yeah,
is
there's
it? Oh, there's a cross member?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm actually gonna get a little 2x4 there.
Rowing a boat. row your boat. Josh likes me.
I'm gonna row your camera. Disassemble as much stuff as we can on the top, and then we put it up in the air, and then we start doing stuff underneath.
I guess I'll
So-
have my checklist.
We're gonna pull the bonnet off, get the rear wheels off, and then we're gonna work on pulling the inner fender liners, getting the rear bumper off, getting the heat shields and the airbox off, getting the muffler off.
Okay.
You know,
So top
yada, yada.
down. Okay.
Yeah, we got a few things to do before we go under and start dropping fluids.
All right. Do we need to mark that? Mark
So,
the edge? Is that
You
what
see the
usually-
hole in the bracket?
Yep.
There's a matching hole in the frame.
Oh, okay.
Theoretically, if you put a pin in there, a punch in there, it's an alignment hole, and that's how the factory aligned the bonnet to the car. So I usually use that for initial installation, and then we'll adjust it after that.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone else wants to grab that left side so it doesn't drop into the glass. So yeah, so I took out anything that seemed decent and usable and sold the rest of it. I would thread those right back into the lid.
Back in there? All right.
Or into the lid because the bracket's empty.
I say, yeah, you gotta put in the lid.
So I'd put them in the lid.
Yeah. That thing does not sound like it's got a lot of power. All right, one down. Yeah, those things like jump off thing. That's easy. Wow. That was, yeah. Air intakes and taking out the battery. We got the wheels off. All right, taking out the intake.
In the
Label everything. Finally a stew right here.
Okay, that's easy. I like that.
That's a good idea. Do you have some?
Sure,
Dude,
sure.
I'm like seriously impressed though.
Me too.
He's got a lot of wires on the harness still. You gotta get all those out.
Got another hose over here.
Yeah, there's a lot of hoses.
Another one right there.
That's what she said.
There we go.
All right. Can you pull that horn off?
Oh,
right,
oh,
and
one more.
Yeah, it's already loose. I just have to pull it. All right, there we go. Woo! Dad! Woo!
Holy crap! Nice. Removing
Ooh, that one
the
came off too easy.
heat shield in front of the muffler. So we have to pull. Oh,
It went all the way down. That's a good thing.
Underneath, yeah. Oh, dude, yeah, that's like not even a muffler.
Oh my god. Pretty cool.
No wonder it was so
Holy
loud.
crap!
Yeah, man, I got like this set deal. Like,
Oh wait.
Not the same.
Oh, Stu's so sweet. Oh,
oh yeah, anybody who's naked, I got beer. I brought a
nice.
cooler with ice.
Oh, Tim's a Ferrarista now. Oh, there was no paperwork on this anyway. And given the collection of random bolts that were holding on stuff that were clearly not the same, I don't think this was done professionally.
Oh, the sad part is it probably was.
Probably was actually, yeah. All right.
Do we want to drop that rear bumper before we pull that off?
No, we want to prove this just really easy in clearance, that way you don't mar the bumper when you take the bumper out.
Cool.
Those two are welded together, so that is gonna be a little bit tricky.
Yes, I told you to ping me when you guys were gonna do this. Stu like reached out. Hey Todd, he was like, "Hey man, are you going over to Josh's shop?" I'm like,
For what?
"For what?" I mean, I knew you had it, but I didn't know you guys were gonna start it.
Work it, Todd. Work it. Yeah.
They're gonna help me if you whisper in my ear.
Oh, there it goes. I'm always filming. Taking credit for it.
I did that.
I did that. I turned a
It
wrench.
was loose
It was
already.
That was my
'Cause of
work.
me.
Yeah. Good job, Todd.
Thank you.
All right, almost got the exhaust out finally, or at least the sort of muffler,
Should be finger.
I guess.
Custom fab from hell.
I mean, it kind of
Rounding
almost,
mechanism. That's about
almost
all
looks like
it
a cherry bomb welded in there, you know?
Cherry bomb.
Dude, it does. Look.
Dude, you're dating yourself saying cherry bomb.
cherry bomb.
Well, masters in a cherry bomb.
Cheeseburgers, man. I got these cheeseburgers.
Man, I got these cheeseburgers, man. I don't want any cheeseburgers.
Should drop.
is. Yeah, just don't grab it yet.
Oh, there.
Yay! Double cheese. See, that's easier taking the whole bumper off.
Yeah, so take that and watch the paint. There you go.
Awesome.
Wait, as is tradition.
Yes!
Wait, put on your head. Yes.
Yeah, we got one of those. Oh, that looks badass. Yeah, oh, Texan right there. Texan T.
Crazy. All right, working on the bumper.
Hi, Dan.
Hi, Tim. All right, gotta get the fender liners out.
These are all different sizes, man.
Are they?
Yeah, they're all.
Ferrari.
It's whoever worked on it thought, oh, you know what?
Yeah.
Luigi just grabbed whatever was handy.
By the way, that's how you get to your battery.
Oh,
You already-
take the
yeah.
fender liners out.
Yeah, look at it. It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
That was nice. Good one. Good one, Todd.
Oh, sorry, did you catch one of that one?
No, it's just, that was a good one. There we go.
Look at all that room now!
Wow. So much room for activities.
Look at all this floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
You know the thing that gets me is I don't understand, like,
All right.
in the 360 they drilled into the top of that, you know, to make it a living
Oh, yeah.
chore to
No.
be able to get out that fender liner.
Yeah, that was stupid.
You know?
Yeah, you know, Ferrari, in their infinite wisdom. Man, Todd is the hero tonight.
Tell my wife that.
Chow. Is it Chow?
Ciao!
Chow. Todd's a hero.
Yes, because I built a 8,000 piece, I think, pavilion in the backyard. Which took
I saw
4
it.
weeks.
Looks nice. Oop. Something came
Little
out.
grommet came out.
Jeez. All right. Need help with that? Get the light. Wait, light.
Wait, yeah.
I hadn't seen one in quite
Gotta get the light. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
Bumper.
All right. Anybody want to use bumper?
Yeah, because I have one. It's
We can sell a used bumper, man.
and I knew
Oh, there's a big old plate.
The other plate fell off on the
crown there.
Yeah, this one's. Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it back in place. That
Cool.
spacer.
There you go.
I don't know.
Alright, pulling the
I always like the 340.
PCV stuff. There it goes. Ta-da. Sweet.
The nice thing is
Another one over here.
Because yeah, what are
Trying to avoid drawing blood.
Yeah.
What is that? At what cost?
There we go. Sweet. At least got that sort of out of the way.
whenever it goes back together?
Yeah, don't talk logical like that.
Sorry. I hate it when I think ahead.
Yeah, don't do that.
I'm gonna enjoy watching them put it together even more than I'm enjoying watching them try to take it apart.
You're gonna laugh your ass off.
It's gonna be bad.
I'm gonna bring a chair.
As you should.
That's especially dickish, being a guy who knows what you're supposed to do and just sit there and just not say anything, but just in your mind be like, nope, nope.
Nope.
Well, I'll be redoing that for him.
Oh God, you crop dusted me. All right, we're wrapping it up. God damn it, it smells. It's about enough for day one. So we'll continue this tomorrow.